Welcome to science! So in my hand here, I have some cherry Kool-Aid. This cherry Kool-Aid is known as the solute, and this 100 milliliters of water is known as the solvent. Put them together, you have a solution. You've got problems, we've got a single solution. Science!
Here is 70 milliliters of our cherry Kool-Aid solution. When we add 70 milliliters of water, we get a diluted solution. Dilution means that you are changing the molarity. Science.
Science!
Here we have 5.2 grams of salt. Here we have 200 milliliters of water. Calculating molarity. The equation for calculating molarity is molarity equals moles over liters. Moles is represented by an N and liters is represented by a capital L. The molar mass of NaCl, which is salt, equals 58.49 grams. We weighed our sample of salt and it equaled 5.2 grams. Since there are 58.49 grams in 1 mole of salt, we get 0.0889 moles. If we put 0.0889 moles of NaCl and divide that by liters of our solution, we have 0.2 liters. Liters comes from having 200 milliliters in our beaker, which is equal to 0.2 liters. 0.0889 moles divided by 0.2 liters is equal to 0.445 for our molarity.
Now I'm going to add the NaCl, our salt, to our water to create our 0.445 molarity solution. So I have 100 milliliters of salt water and 100 milliliters of our Kool-Aid solution. If I pour both of them together in this other beaker, we'll have 200 milliliters of our diluted solution. That's some salty Kool-Aid. Calculating dilution. So we just made a 200 milliliter solution with water and salt. So we know that the molarity of our first solution that we solved for was 0.445, and the volume of our saltwater solution was 100 milliliters. The molarity of our second solution we don't know, but we'll use the fact that we have a volume of 200 milliliters to find out what it is. So here's our equation.
M1 V1 equals M2 V2.
0.445 times 100 equals the molarity of the second solution times 200, 44.5 equals 200 times molarity 2 over 200 equals 0.2225, and that's the molarity of our second solution. Science!